כן, כן, אני יודע. רגע. יאללה. איך הם מפחדים ממני כבר כולם פה?
As early stage investors in young startups, we wanted to try and give you a feel for what it's like working with them. So we asked them to come into our offices. We want to throw them at a challenge that they've never seen before and see how they try and overcome problems together as a team and make it super competitive. These are competitive people. They are in it to win it.
Founders will launch from Hetz seed stage, make it through product market fit and first sales, avoid SPACs, get through growth stage, and head for that IPO. In the Hetz Drone challenge, you either fly or fry. Let's go.
I'm Idan, I'm the CEO of Seekret.
I'm Val, I'm the CTO at Seekret.
I'm Ofir, CTO.
So we're Seekret, and we're here to make every company an API first company. If I'll describe Ofir in one word, he's the glue.
I've got an easy one, a robot.
I would say father.
Wow.
Who is going to fly the drone and why?
Yeah, we'll do the same thing as we decided who's going to be the CEO. So, Mesha, Chad, Ofir. Yeah.
We do it on every thing we need to do in the company, and it's always
Everything.
I don't know, maybe they're cheating.
Took him 2 years to understand that.
That's it, the company's breaking. Thank you, guys.
These guys have been friends forever.
I've spoken to their wives and they also can't explain this weird relationship between the three.
כן.
נראה לי לא עובר שם באמצע עכשיו.
כן, אני לא רואה אותו, את האמת.
לא רואה. עכשיו אתה עובר נראה לי, לא?
They definitely look like they have fun together.
כל הכבוד.
הגבוה. כן, כן, אני יודע. רגע.
Good. Ah.
That looks like some serious damage. Lots of support from the co-founders.
איפה עכשיו? יאללה, אתה שם? יש? שים! אתה רואה?
All right, this is showtime. For all the jokes, is Seekret gonna get that IPO?
עוד טיפה. עוד קדימה, הצידה.
יש לנו IPO. זה לא נחשב.
Hey, how do you guys feel?
That's good, like always.
Where do you think you are?
Before Hetz, for sure. Like, we must be here.
Yeah, I'll take before Hetz. That's a good place to be.
Wow, it's good. It's much better than we thought.
Look.
Go here. No, for 24. Wow.
Like this.
How did they do 1 minute 30?
Yeah, they had a good driver.
Why do you think you did that well?
That well? We know how to talk. We don't know how to fly drones.
I think we're too tall. Maybe that's the reason why.